Good evening, welcome into StoveTop-Garage. Tonight we're making some country apple dumplings. Your ingredients, we're going to double the recipe, that's why you see so much in front of you. But the ingredients for the standard recipe are 2 large Granny Smith apples, peeled and cored, 2 8-ounce cans of refrigerated crescent rolls, 1 cup of butter, 1.5 cups of sugar, but I am splitting that in half and using brown sugar and regular sugar. I prefer the flavor of the brown sugar with apples. And then we have 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1 12-ounce can of Sprite, Mountain Dew, any citrus soda. Our first step is going to be taking the butter, heating it in a saucepan, and then we're going to melt down the sugar in the butter, and then we're going to add the cinnamon to it. And once that's about done and simmering, we're going to peel the apples, and then we're going to cut each apple into 8 separate pieces, because each one of these gives us 8 rolls. So we need each apple into 8 pieces, and then we're going to start with the butter and the sugar. Now here's our 4 apples prepared properly, cut into 8 sections per apple, and then we have our sugar and our cinnamon and our butter cooked down to a sauce to put over top of everything. And now it's time to start assembling the apples inside the crescent rolls. This is the method that I'm using. I think there needs to be a little bit of cinnamon and sugar on the inside with the apple. So I'm taking a little bit of each, spreading it around on the inside. And as we take these apart to wrap our apples, need to stretch them out just a bit as we're putting our apple in, because the apples are a bit big. There are the larger size of these crescent rolls at the store. The ones that I bought, since we were cutting the apples into 8 pieces, were the original crescent rolls, and they only have 8 in the container. The larger ones, I don't remember if it was fewer or if it was more, but they have now that we have all of our apples wrapped up in their little wraps, we have our sugar and our butter and our cinnamon to go over top. And with that, we add in our Mountain Dew. "12 ounces is what the recipe calls for. And now that'll go into the oven for 35 to 45 minutes at 350 degrees, which we've already preheated for. There we go, 35 minutes in the oven, and that's how they turn out. And after 35 minutes in the oven, we come out with this. And here we go with the taste test. So very soft. That's perfect after 35 minutes. It's delicious. You guys should try these. So delicious. Thanks for watching Stovetop Garage. Tune in next time. See what we got cooking. Thanks. Make sure you like and subscribe.